I'm pretty sure I'm the dad with the big orange bike. Like it's a bit of a head turner. I use it for the daily commute. So in the mornings, I drop off both my daughters. One's 5, one's 1. I drop the first one off at school. She goes down on a scooter, I go down on a bike. I put my little one on the back, drop her at school, and then I hot foot it across town to the nursery, which is in the train station, and drop off my little one. And then once that's done, round the back of the station and jump on the train, folding the bike up. In the mornings, the town centre is just gridlock. It takes my wife twice as long to drive as it does for me to go on the bike. I got it on the Cycle to Work scheme and I've just paid it off, actually. I had wanted a fold-up bike for ages. And when I was looking around, given it's so hilly around here, I was looking for an electric bike, but most of the bikes were just way out of my price range. Big chunky tyres make a massive difference, especially when you've got a kid on the back. You just feel like you're more secure and stable, so that's really good. I mean, the seat itself comes off with just a click, which is amazing, and I can switch it out for a sort of little pannier for my older daughter as well, and that's really handy just to be able to do that. Disc brakes made a huge difference for me because, especially with the hills around here that are so steep, once you've got an extra 15, 20 kilos on the back, you want the reassurance of a disc brake because you can pick up some pretty big pace, and knowing that you've got, you know, the best brakes you can get is a big sell.